Hey Moose, welcome back to my channel! Wow! For today's video, we're doing a get ready with me because why not? In 30 minutes from now, I'm going to a dinner with my friends. It's actually my go-to look. I've been using it for years now. It's quick, it's simple, and easy, so let's get ready. First things first, I fix my hair back in my ear. That way the makeup does not go to my face. Aveeno moisturizer. I've been using this for years and years now. It's really good. I do 2 pumps about it. That's about it. Look how great, girl. It looks like, you know what? I just do that. I flutter it all over my face because you always want to moisturize your face before you put anything on it. And I lather my freaking neck as well. Yes! Get that white stuff all over me. Okay. Now I let it set for a couple minutes, maybe like 1 minute, just to get it absorbing my skin. It is winter time right now, so it's really good to do moisturizers. I use this Benefit Professional. I've been using this one also for years and years. It's just a really good product. So if you want to cover all your pores, you squirt it. Oh my gosh, it squirted everywhere. You just squirt like, maybe like a half pin and put it in your face. Especially to those areas that has a lot of pores. It just fills in your pores so that you can have a really smooth face. My main area of concern would be my nose, my under eyes, and my forehead. I have large pores there, so I just lather it in it, and that's about it. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. My skin is combination, so I have like oily skin on my T-zone and then dry skin around my skin, so I've been using this Maybelline. It's a drugstore makeup product. It's really cheap. It's like about $12 each. Really good foundation. I just go with the brush and I go dab it around my face and then I just wipe it. Before I would use so much of the Sephora products, or I actually used the expensive products before for makeups, but it was just costing me a lot of money, and it's like one product is like what, 45 bucks? And I'm like, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I've watched a lot of makeup girls doing drugstore products that are like dupes of the expensive ones. So now I find like all the dupes of the products that I used before that are so expensive, and now I'm just using the dupes one from the drugstore, and it's turning out really great. I've been using it for years and years now, and I'm not coming back. I mean, I'll still use the expensive products once in a while, but really, not really. So after I blend everything in with this, I think this is a kabuki brush, who knows? With a brush. This is the Face Studio Concealer. I just use a little bit of concealer on my under eyes. I just dab a little bit there, here and there, and dab a little bit there too. Wait, there's some. Yeah. I just dab it there. And I use a brush to blend it out. And my under eyes, that's the only main problem, and that's the only place I conceal. Aside from that, not really. I don't really conceal that much because the foundation already removes all my worries, eye bags away. It's gone. I'm using this freaking mirror because I cannot freaking see There we go. There we go. No more eye bags. Eye bugs be gone. Okay. After that one, I use my little. This is the Maybelline Brow Filler. Sometimes I get a little bold spot in my eyebrows, so I fill them in. I like to just do a little bit because, you know, all natural is always beautiful. So I don't really do much with my makeups. I've been doing this makeup look for like 2 years now, I believe. It's just my go-to makeup look. It's quick, it's fast, it doesn't have any fuss on it, so that's about it. I used to do like heavy makeups before, but nowadays, who needs all that makeup? After all of this, I use, this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I usually just do a powder on my face as well because I tend to be oily after a while. So this really just sets the makeup in. And I just dab a little bit and go around my face. I may in the future do a little more, experiment more with makeup, but who knows, I'm too lazy for that one. It's just, it takes, I commend all those beauty gurus that do their makeup really, really well and they make it look so freaking easy. Like, hello, I tried to copy them and it takes me freaking hours to do it. Oh my gosh, I only have 15 more minutes. So after all of that, I've set my face with the powder. I look into one, I look beautiful, okay. For eyes, I really don't do anything for my eyes as well because I'm lazy. But I'm using this Clinique palette. I got it for free. You know how that you have like freebies when you buy like, oh, you buy $50 worth of item, you get this little gift set. So this is one of the Clinique gift set that I got. And then we'll go with that. I'm using a little brush to just put little color in my eyes. Not really too crazy, but whatever. I just do one color in my eyelid. And I try to like blend it in so there's no harsh lines on my eyelids. That's it. Oh, and I also like to do a very light shade inside my eyes because it makes the eyes pop. Ow! Ow! I poke it too much! Ugh! Fish nuggets. Okay, so I go there by where your tear ducts are. I just do that. Little dab right there to just brighten things up. Yeah, that's it. After that one, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. This is the mascara of them all. This is the original, baby. This is where it all started, so I like to hold my breath when I'm doing my mascara because it tends to go everywhere, so bear with me.
How are you guys? Hi there. I like to put underneath, going upwards, and this always makes me cry. I like to go in deep, you know, going deep.
And then I let it dry for a couple of seconds and then I do a second coat. And I also don't do my lower lashes because at the end of the day, it always gets to my under eye area and it just gets messy. I just don't like it. Just don't like it. Oh, for the last touch, I do a blush. And I'm using the Milan Rose Blush. This is in the shade Nothing. It's just freaking blush. Okay, so I use a little brush that I use to blush on, and I just like to go, I smile, and then I go there. There. And I just go around there. Just to put a little color in my skin. There we go. Just a few more dabs and I should be good. That's it? See? Oh, not yet. I have to do a lippy. So, before I put anything on my lips, I like to dry. Then I put moisturizer on my lips. Who likes crackle lips? Come on, girl. If you're gonna suck a dick, you might as well moisturize. Okay. All moisturize. I'm using this Dolce & Gabbana Sophia Loren collaboration lippy. I got this one from my friend Caselda. She gave it to me on my birthday. She's so sweet about it. I love this color. It's like this really nice light pinkish red color. It has a DJ logo on the lippy right there. So with this one, I just go around my lips. That's it. Yes, that's it, guys. So this is my finished look. This is my go-to look that I've been using for about 2 years now. I love it. I like it. It's very natural. It's just very simple, very elegant. There's no fuss about it. Took me 10 minutes to do it, 15 minutes tops. I'll show you my finished look when I come back, okay? Thank you so much for watching this little get ready with me video, and I'll see you next time. Stay gorgeous. Bye.